Hey yo, what's up? What's up again? This is your show, Gardena TV Show. So mag-upload na naman tayo ng ating video. For this time, mapapanood naman natin. Ano ho yung naging reaction nila about nung tinanong dito ni Diane Castillejo, no, ni Miss Diane Castillejo about sa future ng mga naging player na to at yung mga nakakaraang gilas player, no? Kasi yung mga nakaraang gilas kasi may natanggap silang pera. And this time, ano kayang nakalaan dito sa ating mga player, no? Alam nyo, curious din kayo kung ano nangyari, no? Kung anong nilalaman nitong video na to. And ang video na to ay syempre, no, magsasabi ng katotohanan at pawang katotohanan lamang, no, para tayo nasa husgado, no. Sasabihin talaga ng video na to ang katotohanan at wala ho tayong maitatago.
Question? Yeah.
Sir, I have a lot of questions, but I won't ask all now. No, just one, you know. I'm very curious about a lot of things that you said, Al Francis. So are you saying that none of these players actually got paid to play in the national team? And are they not going to receive anything? Because we know in the past na, syempre may bayad ang mga national players.
Wala.
So ito yung sabi tinatanong ni Ginong Diane Castillejo, yung mga player before may bayad. And this time, alamin natin, yung mga player naman na sumabak itong nakakuha ng ginto.
They didn't get anything extra just to play for Asian Games? Wala. Now, if you're gonna ask kung meron silang matatanggap ngayon, of course, gold din. Diba? Of course.
Yan ang sinasabi ko, mare-recognize mo lang yung tao pag nakagawa na ng tama. Nakagawa na, nakapagbigay ng ginto, no, o magandang halimbawa, no, na iuwi niya, no. Hindi naman lingid sa ating kaalaman, marami hong nangyayaring ganyan, no. Wala hong suporta sa una, pero pag sumabog na, ayan na, 'di ba? Si EJ Buena, no, yung ating yung umaakit-akit ng ball watcher ba tawag doon? Hindi ko alam yung eksaktong larangan niya, no, yung tawag doon, no, 'di ba? Isa rin 'yun, no, hindi ho halos demanda siya ng kanyang coaches, no? And yet ngayon nagdadala ng ginto sa Pilipinas. 'Di ba? Isa 'yun sa mga factor kung bakit medyo nadidismaya mga manlalaro ng mga Pilipino.
RSA and MVP, Sir MVP, nag-join silang dalawa, nag-usap kami, and they're gonna give something to the players.
So you're saying they just got the regular allowance from the PSC of all the Asian Games athletes? And
PSG, ibig sabihin Philippine Sports Commission, no? So yun ang tinatanong ni Ginang Diane Castillejo.
an allowance from the SBP also?
May I answer that?
Yes, sir.
They were players of teams, right?
Yes.
So they have monthly pays.
Yes.
They continue to get those monthly pay, whether they played or they don't play. That's I think what is meant. They continue to get the monthly pay,
Understood.
supported by each. Other than that, there was not a single centavo that was given. Now let me also tell you a story.
So ibig sabihin lang pala, sakripisyo lang talaga ginawa ng mga player ngayon, no? Ibig sabihin kaya maraming pinatamaan, no? Sige nung Al Francis Chua, itong the rest of the gang, no? Marami ho silang pinaringgan ng mga player natin, no?
Because I was with I was on the phone. And I spoke to one player that we wanted to play for the.
And by the way, yun nga yun na tinutukoy niya, yung dalawang player, no? Medyo delikado yun, ha? Delikadong player na talagang kanilang kine-question. And this time, malalaman natin sa mga susunod na araw ay ilalabas yan ng inyong lingkod Gardena TV Show. No? And again guys, maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik dito sa Gardena TV Show. And please like, share, subscribe itong ating YouTube channel. And please share naman itong ating live stream. And huwag nyo kakalimutan, meron po tayong full video nito and pwede nyo panoodin sa ating live coverage. Kanina lang po, no, ating in-upload yan. And again, this is your show, Gardena TV Show. And peace out.